7 Cleaning uses for hydrogen peroxide. Apply full-strength hydrogen peroxide directly to a blood stain, the sooner the better, and let it sit until it stops fizzing. Then, dab at the stain with a clean cloth to lift it. Repeat the process until the stain is gone. Launder the garment like you normally would. Combine 2 parts hydrogen peroxide and 1 part dish liquid to create your own laundry spot remover. Apply it to the stain with a soft scrub brush and allow it to sit for a bit. Then, rinse under cold water. If you can still see traces of the stain, apply more of your spot treatment, and scrub it again until the stain is no longer visible. Wash your garment as you would normally. Add a cup of hydrogen peroxide to your whitewash loads to whiten and brighten fabric without the use of chlorine bleach. Since hydrogen peroxide is an antifungal, it's also great for removing that musty smell from bath towels. Unsealed marble is prone to staining, even water can stain it. Address stains as soon as you notice them by making a paste of flour and hydrogen peroxide and applying it directly to the stained surface. Cover the area with plastic wrap to keep the paste from drying out and let it sit overnight. Then, clean up the paste in the morning, and the stain should be gone, or at least greatly lightened. Repeat the process, if needed. Eliminate mold from the bathroom and any other areas of your home by treating it with full-strength hydrogen peroxide. Just apply it with a rag or a spray bottle, and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then, come back and clean the area. Pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide in your toilets to clean and sanitize them. Allow it sit for half an hour. Then, follow up with your toilet brush. It'll save you the trouble of buying a separate toilet bowl cleaner. Wipe down your cutting boards with hydrogen peroxide periodically to eliminate any bacteria that may be lurking on the surface or in the cracks and crevices. Hydrogen peroxide loses its oomph quickly when it's exposed to air or sunlight, so keep it in the brown bottle it came in until you're ready to use it. Many homemade cleaners can be made in advance, but unfortunately, that doesn't apply to cleaners made with hydrogen peroxide. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.